So you think you want to build an old car, restore an old car, right? You think you want to do it here in your little tiny 2-car garage? Well, check this out. Got the truck and trailer hauled home, the new project here for the Vinyl Village garage. And look at this peach right here. She is a 100% gem. Just a little bit of buffing, a little bit of cleanup, and it'll be ready to go, right? Absolutely not. So let me show you what we have here. What you're looking at here is a 1968 Firebird convertible. Yes, I said Firebird because this one is rough. It is probably one of the worst ones I've ever tried to put back together. I don't know. That one was pretty bad. It broke in half when I opened the doors on it. But this one isn't that far behind. And what you see under the hood, well, lack thereof, it is a Pontiac 400 engine. It did not come with this car. It was a 352 barrel car. So that's going to get plucked out of there. But it does have, I believe, a 4-core radiator. So that's a bonus. This was a factory disc brake car. It has a single piston calipers on it. So I'm going to question, I thought in 68, they had the quad piston calipers, or maybe he's changed those out at some point in its life. But someone help me out with that, let me know. I do have a hood latch for it. But under the hood, it doesn't look too awfully bad. You kind of quick little glance. It's not the end of the world. Fender has this wrong. Well, I'm not so great shape, rusted through. We get to the inside of the car. Well, that's when it starts to go downhill. Now I've got stuff stacked in here, but we have Flintstone power here. There are absolutely no floor pans on either side. They're not that great a shape, but the dash pad is still all here. But I think this has been wrapped with vinyl, kind of one of the things that I do, so it looks pretty good. This is the really cool option steering wheel. Now it's cracked up and needs restore, but I think I'm going to put the time into that and try to clean that thing back up. Now this isn't a rally gauge car, but I have a set of rally gauges I may throw in here. It is a power top car. It does have a switch. I do have the mounts there for the little pump motor. So we've got that, but the top is in horrible shape, the frame. So we're going to do some replacing on that. Maybe a repop or do some working on that. So not looking so great here so far. Looking pretty rough, actually. And I'm missing some pieces that I'm seeing over here. That a little brace that bolts to the quarter panel of the floor pan is missing. So someone's been here. This side is also missing. So I'll have to get my hands on those, unfortunately. Automatic car. I think it was originally a 2-speed. Now, it doesn't look so bad back here because there's a trunk pan, as you can tell, not welded in, but there is no trunk floor left whatsoever. Trunk gutter completely missing out of the corner and gone. Trunk deck is garbage. Quarter panels look great because there's just skins laid over top of the old rusty crap. I already talked about tail panel and trunk deck. Look at this thing. This is just horrible. Got parts everywhere. Now this is where you put your luggage here. Is where you hide your orange Mountain Dew down in the corner. So we've got that extra luggage compartment. Ask Brian. I hide stuff in there all the time. Quarter panel doesn't look too bad on this side. Now this has the adjustable suspension in the back. This is a super rare option that someone came up with, but you use a scissor jack there. If you look right there, that's how you adjust the ride height. Crank that thing up and down. You can fix that thing right up real quick. So that's obviously going to be coming out of there at some point. But this chrome trim's still in the car. Gutter's in there. Glass is all in the car. This car did come equipped with a little bird glass in the car. One side still has it, the other side doesn't. Unfortunately, I'll have to go on the search on that, but we have some serious issues here. Yeah, rocker panel is completely missing. So, gonna do some work on this car. Again, no rear floor pans whatsoever. This is where you get the extra horsepower. But that's it. This is our new project we're going to be working on here at the old Vinyl Village. And for those of you like really sharp eye and really, really good at this game of what's going on in my world, the new garage looks exactly like the old one because it is. The move did not work out. That's why you haven't seen me. I was packing stuff, putting stuff away. GTO went out. And unfortunately, I don't want to get into it. It didn't pan out at the last minute. So we're back here in the 2-car garage. We're going to work on my dad's car. This is actually my dad's car. It was Flambeau Burgundy original. We're going to go back to very original style restoration. We're going to put a 350 back under the hood, 2-barrel carpet. We're going to leave the disc brakes. We're going to put the power top on it. We're going to paint it back to the Flambeau Burgundy. I believe it was a factory white top, black interior. We're going to go back to relatively close to original on this thing here. So if you want to know what it takes to build a car at home in your 2-car garage, stay tuned, subscribe, and that's what we're going to do. Really the next step here is come up with a build plan. I kind of know what's going on, but it's very important to know what you're doing so you can work towards that goal and not take 2 steps forward and 5 steps back and realize that was a mistake. So a build plan is very important. So that's what we're probably going to get into next. Going to do a little deeper assessment and start tearing this thing apart and definitely grab the camera and show you every step of the process. And of course, if there's something you want to see, let me know just the same. So anyway, quick little video. I'm back in business. Gonna go start playing here in a little garage. Get as far as I can here on the old Lamborghini. That's gonna be the name here. And I hope to see you all then.